Hello guys, welcome to my video.
Okay, so we are going to learn how to make a Word
Words
document.
document.
Okay, my subordinate is continuing. So then,
Then
make a folder
make a folder
like new
new.
and Word document. We can put the name. What's the name?
What's the name? It's gonna be
My class routine.
my class.
Okay, in this Word document, if we enter, we can write here
Everything we want.
routine, ROUTIN, routine, and we can make this little bigger font, like select and change here the font size like 36.
36.
Okay, routine for class 4.
Oh,
Okay guys, now we can insert one table here like this. Here it will be the day, and this will be the classes.
classes.
Day is like Sunday, and then Monday,
And then Tuesday. And then Wednesday.
and
Thursday.
okay, then class
Then class.
1, means first class. What is the first class in Sunday? We can check our diaries. Open your diary.
First class Sunday is religion. Then it's math.
Religion, then
Then it's
second
math,
class math, loudly.
and then it's drawing, and then it's Bangla. Then it's PGS. Then it's English. That's the all classes for Sunday.
Okay, then Monday.
Monday, first class is Bangla. The second class for Monday is math. The third class is games, one of my favorite periods. Then it's English. Then it's science. Then it's PGS again.
Okay, then Tuesday.
Tuesday we have religion. Then it's gonna be science.
We can copy and we can paste here. Like we can select this and Control C, and then here, and we can Control V. Like that we can
Like
copy
that
and
we can
paste.
Copy, paste. The next class for Tuesday is math. by the chance math is on a every day,
Okay.
then it's gonna be BGS again. Then it's Bangla again. Now it's gonna be English for the last class of Tuesday.
Okay. Now Wednesday.
Wednesday we have Bangla in the first. This is kind of others like the other routines. Bangla, then it's gonna be English, then it's gonna be games. I love games. And then it's gonna be math again. Now it is gonna be science. Now in Wednesday it's not gonna be BGS, it's gonna be drawing. Now in Tuesday we again come to religion. Now again we have BGS. Then we have math. Now it's gonna be English, one of the favorite sirs of my school. Read out.
What's your English teacher's name?
Matul sir.
Okay. Then
And then it's gonna be science. Then it's gonna be Bangla for the last class of our routine for class 4. My school name is Adamji Cantonment Public School. Make sure you like the video and goodbye. See you in the next video. Wait a minute, please.
Adamji.
Cantonment Public School. See you in the other video. See you next time. Be careful. Be grateful. Goodbye.
Class 1. Then class
2.
four.
Then it's gonna be 5. Sorry, time wasting. Very sorry.
But here in the new routine, your class start at 2 o'clock.
2
Can you
o'clock.
tell me? 2, 2? Yeah, 2 to 2:40.
2 to 2:40. First class 2 to 2:40. Then it's 2:40 to 3:20.
Can I make it landscape, something like that? Layout, please. Landscape. Okay. Now 2 to 2:40 and then
Then it's gonna be 2:40 to 3:20.
20.
Then for the class 3 it's gonna be 3:20 to 4. Then for the fourth class it's gonna be 4:20.
There is no tiffin?
Yeah, there's tiffin. It's to
No, I don't think.
yeah.
Because, oh, tiffin is there.
Tiffin is there. Tiffin is
4 to 4:20.
4 to 4:20.
So after 4:20 it will start, right? 4:20 to
4:20 to
we can add
4:55.
here one column like this. Right mouse click and here we can see there is one option insert, and then I can put it that insert left. Here I can write down tiffin, 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 like this type, na 4
4 to 4 20
20, right? We can merge this table, and we can also do one thing. The alignment of this table, this column, can be something like that. Home, and then alignment is here, is there, option is there, layout, views. Is there any alignment? Vertical. Okay. I think this one. No, this one. Yeah, this one. Text alignment is like option. Is there any alignment option? Okay, now tiffin is done. 420 to 440.
455 455
420 to 455.
yes.
And then
Then class 5, it's gonna be 455 to 530
455. Five 30. 35 minutes.
yes.
455 to 530.
Yes.
So after that, the sixth class, sixth period will
It
not be
will not
held
be.
in this examination time, right?
Yes.
As long there will be exam, this SSC examination, right? For this SSC examination, this is changed, the routine. These classes will not be happen, right?
So our class will be, we will be gone to home
5:30.
for 5:30.
Right now?
Yes, right.
Okay, now I am saving this.